In this clip, we'll discuss ironing sheets, flat sheets, and pillowcases. With pillowcases, if you have a decoration at the bottom, you want to do that first. Flatten them all out. Take your iron and just go down them. And that'll get it. And then get your decoration at that end and pull your pillowcase up. Start at the folded edge. Start at the edge and just run it down from the top. Both sides at the same time, make it quicker and easier for you. Now it's ready to either go on your bed or be folded and put away. When it comes to your flat sheets, if they have a decoration, you want to start with your decoration. Lay your decoration up and iron it. You can iron it in sections, depending on the size of your ironing board. And the same is going to hold true for the rest of your sheet. You're going to have to iron in sections, as sheets are quite big. Take your section, iron, fold it over to the next section. Following this pattern, go all the way through all the parts of your sheet. Once you've completed the top, then move it down to the bottom and follow the same pattern. Section at a time. Once you've completed all of your sections, it's ready to be folded or placed on your bed.